So guys, we talked about iRule. Now there is one more component which is called policy. So if you talk about, when I was talking about iRule, in iRule there was a component called event. Then there was a condition. Then there was an action. But what we were doing is we were writing TCL language syntax. Policies are also a component which have been introduced from version 12. F5 says that they save some CPU utilization. There is no article or any proof they have provided, but they tell that policies are less CPU intensive. In iRule, there are event, then it triggers, then it does. In policies, it is little simple. But only difference between iRule and policy is policies are more user friendly. Some things can be created on iRule, some things can be created on policy. If something is not available through policies, you can create an iRule. But things are same. Now I will show you how do you do it. So when you go to policies in local traffic, you create. Click on create. Then you will give policy name HTTP to HTTPS. Then can you see create policy? Now here you will see different options available automatically, more user friendly. So what I will do here, I have created a policy. Now you need to define a rule. Can you see the same things are available? iRule name you need to give, like policy name, then condition, then if that condition is true, what you need to do. So this is the component of your LTM policy. First policy name, then condition where we are giving, then action. Same thing in iRule is also possible. Same thing is in policy. So what you need to do, you will say, see, HTTP header, we talked about header. We talked about the user agent, right? You can give here Chrome. Then you can apply whether you should reset the traffic. See, I am saying that if HTTP user agent browser is Chrome, reset the traffic. That's it. Rule name. So let's see this. See, it's giving user friendly. You can apply based on header. You can supply here user agent. You can contain. Same thing. HTTP header user agent names contain Chrome. Save. Once you save it, here you are not typing when condition or something. You are just giving GUI option tabs. They are giving you user more friendly. After you save the rule, just save and publish policy. That's it, guys. Then go to your virtual server. Now resources. Here, I will remove this. I will say pool of RGB. Plus, I will call policies here. Instead of iRule, I will go into policies. I will apply policy. Now let me access the page. Let me see what I am getting on 192.168 1.45. Can you see this, guys? I am getting reset. Why? Because I have given that if someone is accessing from Chrome, now let me see from Mozilla. Why it is doing this, guys? Anyone? Because when I am given the condition of policy that if HTTP header user agent, if someone is using Chrome, it should reset the traffic. Other than that, it's following which path? It's following your pool member path. Simple. Even you can go to policies. There are different things you can do. You can create one more policy. Client IAB. Create policy. After that, you create a rule. You can also define client IP here also. You can say TCP address equal to 192.168.1.9. At request time, you can say at request time or at response time. It gives you option. What you need to do? I will say it should redirect to, let's see, sianets.com. I'm saying then if someone access my virtual server from this IP, I will redirect to location sianets.com. First you save it, then you publish it. That is important. Now I will publish. I will go here on my virtual server. I will go to resources, manage. Now let's see what is in the condition I have given. I have given if TCP is there, it should redirect to sianets.com. Let's see if it goes through that. See guys, it's redirecting to our website. So this is how guys you can redirect your traffic based on particular IP. Now if I access from here, you will see that it will not redirect. So this is difference between policies and iRule. It's little easy. It gives you little more user friendly options. That is only the difference between your iRule versus policies tab. It gives you same things you can implement from here also. So this was related to policies. You can just save it and publish it. Go to policies, create tab, give the policy name, create policy. After that, you will get an option. Now here you need to create a rule. You can also say URI or SSL, TCP handshake. These are the option. You can also say if HTTP method is get, then what you need to do based on method, also based on response. Status code. If status code is 400, then what should happen? Plus, this is the condition it's giving you. Forward the traffic to the pool. So this is how it is user friendly. That's why people say it's little user friendly than what we talked previously. Where you need to see the syntax, but here you just work on based on this also. So that is the difference between iRule versus local traffic policies.